Hello to my 33 subscribers and welcome if you're new. Today in this video we have another Pinterest recreation. These were my cousin's birthday nails and I'm going to show you exactly how I did them. First things first, you have to size out the tips. How I did this was using the coin method. If you don't know what that is, it's basically where you ask your client to take a picture of their hand next to a coin, and then you take a coin and you size it with the picture so that the picture gives an estimate of how large the client's nails actually are, and you can just size them out that way. Now in this clip, I'm adding press stick onto the nail stands. I know there is some type of putty that is made for it, but press stick is so much cheaper because that thing is literally the same thing as press stick in my opinion. I've never used it, but I don't really care, and this works for me, so this is what I'm using. Anyways, as you can see, I'm adding all the nail tips onto the stand, and then I'm gonna buff them and prep them. Then I'm gonna paint them with base coat. Base coat kind of gives it a tacky layer so that the gel polish can stick to the tip. This ensures that there is no chipping or peeling of any of the press-on nails. Next is all of the base colors that I am putting down before I'm adding all the French tips of the nails. And while you guys are watching this, I just want to vent a little bit because I noticed that whenever I post vlogs on my YouTube channel, nobody watches them. But for some reason, the nail videos do a little bit better than the vlogs, which in my opinion kind of hurts my ego because in these nail videos, I don't show my face, and in the others, I do. So are you guys kind of trying to tell me that I'm just ugly? Just, that's how I feel. I know I shouldn't take it to heart because there's so many other vlog videos that might be better, but I don't know how to get my videos out there, and I think it's because I'm not consistent. Like maybe if I was consistent in posting, then I would do better, but I just can't. My life is so busy. Like, look at that, all the base colors are on, and I'm sorry that I couldn't film, but the polka dots were just too hard to do on camera, so I had to do them off camera because I had to have them really close to my eyes so that I could see and that they could come out neat. Went in with this clear gel. This is actually a rhinestone glue gel that I got off Shein. Use this to put into this mold. From the mold, I cure it in the lamp, and once I take it out, it's kind of got the mold of the flower. And the reason why I do this instead of doing them freehand is because they come out more symmetrical and they come out looking the same every time, whereas I kind of struggle to do the flowers on my own, I'm not gonna lie. So it's just like much easier to do it this way. Going back to what I was talking about before, for those who don't know, I'm a full-time student. I am studying a BEd in teaching senior phase natural science, technology, and life science. I also do nails on the weekends at a local salon, and a new thing that I'm going to be starting soon is online teaching, and I'm really looking forward to that. I can't really give anything on it because I haven't started as yet, but that's gonna be something. I'm hoping that if it goes well, then I can leave my weekend job and then maybe just, I don't know, just kind of do nails solo, like by myself. But I do find it hard to get clients because clients are not always consistent, so that's why I suggested maybe opening an Etsy store, but obviously that's going to take a lot of planning and preparation, and a lot of time, which I don't actually have. Back to the clips. I am just adding all the finishing touches, and at this point I'm more or less done. I just had to add all the accents, and look how pretty they came out. Oh my gosh, I just loved these nails. I really did. But I love every set that I do. But here they are. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. The last thing I had to do was package them, which was actually one of my favorite parts. Ooh. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and there will be more in future. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.